To the fallout in the Milwaukee City Attorney's Office and more accusations of failed leadership against Tearman Spencer.
He faces sexual harassment allegations. 22 employees have left the city's attorney's office since he took over less than 18 months ago. And today, Spencer became the focus of a city budget meeting. Katie Grother joins us from the newsroom with the latest on this story. Katie.
Carolyn, Charles, this is a copy of the letter that quickly circulated among Milwaukee city leaders and workers today, written by the latest attorney to resign from the city attorney's office. That attorney just started a few months ago, but says what Tearman Spencer asked him to do is unacceptable. In this letter, attorney Christian Thomas says he is leaving the city attorney's office because its leader, Tearman Spencer, asked him to write a memo documenting the failings of former assistant attorney Naomi Gehling, who is now the chief of staff in the city's Fire and Police Commission. When he refused, Thomas says he was reprimanded by Spencer. Gehling claims Spencer inappropriately touched her leg and created a toxic and hostile work environment. Gehling and Thomas are among nearly 25 staff members to leave the city attorney's office since Spencer took the helm in April of 2020, leaving dozens of the city's legal cases they were in charge of on hold. This letter comes the same day Spencer addressed the city's Finance and Personnel Committee, asking for more money to hire new attorneys. Spencer attended virtually, but didn't want to talk about the letter.
I don't have a direct response until I have a chance to digest what has actually been said. But I think this matter should be taken up in a different form at a different time.
But the committee did not let up.
That the attorneys who are leaving have issues with your performance, sir. And so unless that is going to change, I don't see how this spiral does not keep going down and down and down. And that's not even commenting on the content of the letter. It's just everything we're seeing substantiates a narrative that is far different than what's been presented to us.
I would say it would behoove us not to make personal allegations because that is not what we're here for today. We're here to talk about a budget. I am not here to question my performance on people leaving. They're leaving for whatever reason they want to leave.
Alderman Scott Spiker says it's not personal. The Finance Committee must decide whether to give money to an office that many claim is failing.
It is directly pertinent to the dollars and cents decisions we're making today.
Now, Alderman Mike Murphy asked for a full list detailing the legal cases that are now delayed in state and federal court due to the high turnover of attorneys in the city attorney's office. The office's chief of staff admitted today there has been a strain on the office, but that they're working feverishly to make sure they have assistants to handle the cases.